Configuration Management Database, or CMDB, is a repository that contains relevant information about each business-critical configuration item in an IT environment and its relationship with other CIs. This video tutorial will show you how to create configuration item types and map default relationships, identify the business impact and root cause for an incident or change request. Let's take an example of a business service to understand the significance of CMDB. First, configure the configuration item types in the admin module. The CI types are organization-specific entities under which the CIs are categorized like business services, documents, people, and so on. Apart from this default list, you can add new CI type. Since the business service is usually hosted on a server, let's take a look at the CI type server. A CI type is defined with attributes and relationships which are unique for the CIs classified under them. The attributes describe the characteristics of a CI type and is of two types: default attributes, which is common to all CI types, and attributes specific to the CI type server like model, service tag, IP address, and so on. Using the drag and drop fields, you can add any additional attributes to this CI type. Let's configure a system attribute. System attributes are those entities that are already configured in the admin module or fetched during the scan, like department, site, technician, and so on. Label name denotes the name of an attribute that is displayed in the form. Relationships tab is where you can configure default relationships between the CI type server and other CI types. Relationship type expresses the nature of relationships between CIs. You can configure relationship types in the admin module by specifying the relationship type and inverse relationship type. Relationship type can be better understood from the relationship map. Here, runs describe the type of relationship between the server and the software, while runs on expresses the inverse relationship between the software and the server. Select the relationship type and CI type to establish a relationship. Similar to attributes, the relationship attributes provide additional information about the relationship between the server and the software, like installation path of the software, installation date, the software version installed in the server, and so on. The CI type server may have many subtypes. Each subtype inherits the attributes and relationships of the parent CI type. Now that you have set up the CI types and the relationship types, you can get all your CIs into ServiceDesk Plus using any of the following methods like Windows Domain Scan, Network Scan, Active Directory Import, LDAP Import, CSV Import, and Manual Edition of CIs. The CMDB module lists all the CIs along with the CI types. Selecting a CI type lists the CIs classified under it along with the configured attributes. Let's add a new CI. Business impact is a key attribute to identify the level of impact caused by a CI due to a change or incident. Select the impact caused due to change or degradation of web server on other CIs. While viewing the CI details, you can quickly add CI level attributes. The Relationship tab lists the dependencies of web server with other CIs. You can add relationships to this CI by choosing a relationship from the default CI type relationship list, or you can search for other CIs and create a relationship. Using the relationship map, You can identify the dependencies and connections between the CIs. The warning icon on any assets, business, or IT service indicates the number of pending requests, problem, or change requests raised for that CI. So if you are to perform a critical change or the severity of degradation is high, the relationship map shows you the impact it causes on other CIs. The Quick Create Relationships lets you create relationships instantly. This ends the CMDB configuration tour.